of the state of Texas. Let's go ahead and take a look at a wider image right now of what's happening. You can see some showers farther up towards the north. Let's zoom down to certain areas. I wanted to go down just south of San Antonio into Corpus and down towards McAllen and Brownsville. We're already starting to see some moderate to heavier showers popping up there. We move up to the northern part of the state of Texas as you get into Dallas and then up towards Oklahoma. You're able to see a line of thunderstorms and showers that are building there. Not necessarily here, though. We've mostly seen dark clouds starting to roll in. I haven't picked up any rainfall just yet, as we see with temperatures right now at around 74 degrees, winds coming in anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll have to keep an eye out because we do expect showers to pick up as the day goes on. As we look at temperatures, they're also taking a bit of a hit because of the cloud coverage that's been within the area. By 2 p.m., we're looking at about 81 degrees. By the time we get to 4 p.m., we're looking at 83, and by 6 p.m., around 81 degrees. So now I have our graph model, our in-house model, so we can play out the rest of the day. I'll start the clock here at 5 p.m. because that's when we should start seeing a decent amount of isolated showers picking up. This is very similar to what we saw yesterday, but now more in a widespread area. Play this out just a bit more. You can see that tonight by 7:30, we could get a line of thunderstorms that could roll in, but all this tells us is everyone be prepared for the possibility of some moderate to heavier showers that could swing by. Continues as we go on throughout the night. I stop the clock here again at 9 p.m. You continue to see some of the heavier showers off and on in many of the spots. It'll last with us throughout the night, overnight tonight, and leading into tomorrow. By Thursday at 11:30 a.m., we'll get some light to moderate showers continuing. The heaviest showers expected tonight, and then again tomorrow night as we get to around 10 o'clock. A few of those little spots started to pick up one more time. And then Friday, we have a low that'll swing by. That also will bring with it the chance of seeing some heavier showers and thunderstorms that we could see. So again, over the next 72 hours, your best bet is to keep it here. And of course, we'll update you as time goes on. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 83 for today, 70 degrees for Thursday, 77 for Friday. And there's your chances of rain. 70% on Thursday, 70% on Thursday into Friday night, 60% as we get into Friday throughout the day. And then as we get into Saturday, things clear up. We're looking at partly cloudy skies. The front arrives on Sunday, taking our temperatures back down on Monday to 80 degrees. Let's go ahead and send it over to Rich with a look at April norms.
All right, 23 of the first 25 days this month have had above normal temperatures, and as we approach April, we kind of think like that's going to happen again, where April will be above normal. We average 80.3 for highs and 58.9 for lows. So the mean temperature for April is 69.6. Last year we were at 71.8, so we were a little warmer. Rainfall for the month, it averages out to 2.42. Now you would think that with May being the wettest month of the year, that April wouldn't be too far behind, but April is the third driest month of the calendar year here at home. So the Climate Prediction Center's April rainfall outlook, that darker shade of gold indicating drier than normal, and that moves further into our area. So it's actually the hill country that could be much more drier than normal than the Austin proper area and on to points to the east. And so when we have a drier than normal forecast, we are likely to have a warmer than normal forecast, and we think that's going to pan out too during this another dry spell here at home. We'll have more. We'll have the national weather for you in about a half an hour.